Hello everyone. In the last episode, we have created this tool that uses the DuckDuckGo search tool, and it can search and it takes a user prompt from the user, and it can answer any question using that tool. In this episode, I'm going to create a new tool using the tool class. So this is small agents tool class, and we'll enable file saving. So if I ask LLM to save a file, like save a code file or something similar, it should be able to do that. So for that, let's define a class named like say file saver tool, and then it's a subclass of tool. Okay, so in this class we have to define a few properties. So first is name. We just give a string name. Let's say file saver. Give a description. This is important because LLM will actually use this description to understand what this tool does. So let's say a tool that takes the file name and text and saves that text yeah, using the file name. Okay, so that's it, and now we have to give like inputs. So let's say inputs. So for this tool we will need like two inputs. First input is file name, and that will require two things. First is type. So the file name has a type of string, so it will be basically file path, and then a description. So put a description here. Description, the name of the file. Where the text will be where text will be saved. So that's that. And then this is, and then there's another parameter, basically our text, that is text, and it will be, so this is also have also of type string, and description, put description as say the text content, right? Text content of the text content to be saved in the file. Okay, so this is our inputs, and then output type. Output type, just let's put string. Okay, so now, so this is the definition. This is LLM will be using these to understand what this tool does, and then now we have to actually do the real work here. So we have to define a forward function. Forward function will take basically self, and then file name of type string, and then text of type string, and it will return string. So these are optional, but I'm just putting it in there to make it clear. So let's do this with, okay, let's put it in a try except block. So if there is an exception, the system knows. So except exception as say, so if there is an exception, I just return say fail to save file to save file name. Okay. And then let's put a string error. So this is just put our error in here, and that should be it. Okay, so inside that, let's open the file with open the file name, basically file name, and then we will open a write, just write as okay, and then just file dot write, and then we write text. That's it. And then just return the text was saved successfully to file name. Okay, so that's basically it. So this is our tool. Now if we give the tool, so what we have to do is just for the agent, we just give to the file saver tool. Yeah, we have to give an object, and then let's tell it that you have this tool and then file saver tool and user query. Okay, so that's it. So let's save it, and then let's do this. Let's just ask it to save something. Okay, okay, so let's install say poetry install, then see, okay, it has installed. So let's say IQ, and then okay, so create a Python program that calculates sum of all numbers given by user as input, and save it in Python file in sum.py file. Okay, so this is our query. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it has done all those things, and then it has saved into this sum.py. Let's see sum.py file. Yeah. Okay, so this is the input in spaces. Okay, so this is the program it has written. So it looks good. I mean, for this prompt, this is what it did, and then it looks reasonable. Yeah, so that's how we actually write our tool. So this is our save tool. You can write a load tool and stuff like that. So for loading, we basically need only file name, and then it can return, instead of write, it can just read everything and put it in a variable and return it. So that will be that file loader tool. So I'm not going to write it here, so you may try it, and then once you write it, you can just put it in there and then ask something like read from this file and do this, and then see if it works. It should work. So that's basically it. For now, that's all I had. So let's do this. Okay, see you next time.